Welcome back to my channel. This is Kaking Koy Vlog na nagsasabing keep smiling because life is beautiful thing and much to smile about. For today's video guys, tunghayan natin that's Saudi Cancer Foundation. Okay guys, for today's video, let's go. Puntahan natin sa loob.
Magandang araw mga kakingkoy, nandito tayo ngayon sa Al Raqqa Corniche, Alcobar para sa Cancer Awareness Month event. Sama-sama tayong naglalakad ngayon para sa magbigay suporta at pag-asa sa lahat ng lumalaban sa cancer. Ang daming tao, ang daming energy, lahat nakakaisa para ipakita ang suporta sa mga cancer warriors.
A few moments later.
Welcome back to my channel. This is Kaking Koy Vlog. So we are here with Abdulaziz. We'd like to ask for what can you say about this event? What is event all about?
Yeah, here it's where we are to improve the culture and to the care of the breast cancer of the women and you know it's every year. It's in this month October, so we are repeating this event. It's everywhere and worldwide. It's not only here.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, thank you very much, Mr. Abdulaziz. Welcome back to my channel. This is Kaking Koy Vlog. So we are here in front of Mr. Khaled. Oh, Mr. Khaled, we'd like to ask some questions. Okay, Mr. Khaled, what is this event all about?
It's cancer awareness for Saudi ladies also above 35 years.
Yeah, that's it. It's for Cancer Awareness Month today. Thank you, Mr. Khaled. Yeah, okay, bye. Thank you for watching. Ito nga si Kaking Koy Vlog na nagsasabing, goodbyes are not forever, goodbyes are not the end. This simply mean, I miss you till we meet again. Goodbye!
Para sa mga patuloy na lumalaban, saludo kami sa inyo. Sa mga survivor, kayo ang inspirasyon namin. At sa mga nawala, nananatili ang inyong liwanag sa aming mga puso. Thank you for watching. Till my next vlog. Bye!